Escambia educators, and welcome to your Tech Tip in a Flash, brought to you by your IT professional learning team. Have you ever searched for a picture to illustrate something and come up empty-handed? Well, with Canva Dream Lab, you can create the perfect image in the style you desire. In this video, we'll walk through creating stunning AI-generated images in Dream Lab. The process is simple and fun. Whether you want to download, copy, or use your images in a design, that's up to you. Let's begin. From the home page side menu, select Dream Lab. If you haven't used Dream Lab before, you may want to search in Apps. In the text box, type a description of the image you want to create. The more descriptive, the better. School bus on a snowy day bouncing. Select from the presets to set the style of your image. You have several options: Smart, Cinematic, Creative, Bokeh, and many more. I'll select Smart. Choose the dimensions for your image. Popular aspect ratios such as 1:1, 16:9, and 9:16, and others can be used to fit your specific needs. The 16:9 ratio is often used for high-resolution images that may be used in film or video production. 1:1 ratio is commonly used for print photographs, mobile screens, or social media. Canva for education admins and teachers have 500 Dream Lab uses per member. Refresh monthly. Check the right corner for your remaining uses. Now, you can click Create and wait for your images to be processed. Your images will be displayed at the bottom of the page. It will provide up to 4 images in JPEG format. Scroll down to review your images. You can copy, you can delete the generation, you can update it, or select something different. And wait again. Scroll down, edit the design, and it will open up for you to maneuver. You can edit by using Magic Studio. You can also add a heading or a subheading. You can use Canva Grab to brush select the image you'd like to adjust. In this example, I'll adjust so we can use a text box with a story opener and a prompt. Let's add some audio and elements. Type in your audio type, and then drag it to the image you'd like to use. Once you complete your edit, you can select Share and see all of your options. You can add it to your folder. We've created an image in Dream Lab and used a few resources from Canva's Magic Media. What about starting your class with this story starter and prompt? The sky's the limit with Canva Magic. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our recommended videos. Don't forget to complete our content request form so we can provide content just for you.